you're not doing live in your for example in your phone, and then you have another phone, and then you go to another live too, and then that's why I don't think that's a good. I just heard also from another content creator that if you do live, just if you want to support your friends, go to your another account and then support them, not your main account, because it's gonna hurt. I think it's gonna hurt the views. But I already put you back the
Naglagay din sila ng mga barbed wires at nagtalaga ng karagdagang mga gwardiya. Ang lahat ng radio at news outlet ay nakasentro ang atensyon sa mangyayari. Ang mga reporters sa labas ng bilibid ay karaniwang sinasabi na ang mangyayari ay tatatak sa kasaysayan.
Oh, you know about that? Okay.
Dahil ang huling beses.
Yeah, that's why me, if I do live and then I have a friend doing the live too, I will go to my second account, the Nimpa TV support, and then that's the one I want. I'm gonna do the uh, to watch it, their lives. So like for example, right now I'm gonna put this in the silent live, and then there I checking my account. If there are some other doing the live, then I will use my okay, thank you, sorry about that. How
Noong sumabit ang alas 11 ng umaga ay kumain si Echegra ng linis ng kanian at katulad ng kanyang kahilingan, ang kanyang asawa na si Zinaida at kanyang babaeng kapatid ay
yeah, I'm gonna do silent live right now, so it's okay. Thank you for coming.
Attorney Teddy hindi niya malilimutan ang araw ng February 5. Nakita niya si Echegaray na nasa kabilang bahagi ng silid at ito ay napapalibutan ng steel grills at sa pagitan nila ay ang makapal na plexiglass. Inilarawan niya na si Echegaray ay nakangiti pa rin at sinabi sa kanya nito na umasa siya na hindi sila aabot sa ganung sitwasyon. Pero nakangiti pa rin ito. Ayon sa kanya hanggang sa huli ay sinabi ni Echegaray na siya
I'm doing
at hindi niya
I'm doing
nang sumabit
highlight
ang alas 12 ng tanghali, lahat
in
ng
the
resulta
laptop.
ni Echegaray ay inusang nilabas. Bandang 2:45 ng hapon, iniskortan siya ng aming na gwardiya at siya ay inilipat sa chamber kung saan siya ay papatawan ng parusang kamatayan.
Oh, so one your family is also yours.
Gamit ang one
Just comment in here the so one your family so that I can make a moderator.
ibang tao sa chamber ay nagawa pa ni Echegaray na buklatin ang isang verse na sa ulong ito, ang Psalm 88.
Yeah, because I cannot. Thank you, Hawaii comedy song. I cannot put a moderator. How if you're not gonna comment in there? Comment in there the Suwan Hiu family. Yeah, I'm trying to clear my moderator list, and then if you come back to the live, then I can put back the moderator, because there are some that's not they are not supporting anymore. Really? No, I can still see your comment in here, the one that doesn't have the moderator. That's okay. I googled it. I think we supposedly can watch even though we're doing the live. We can still watch, but there are just some content creator that they say that it's not good. It's not good for the channel if we're watching live while we're doing live also on our channel. Okay, I will put this one in the silent mode. No, my account. Oh, is that yours also, Zuman, you family? How? Okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay, Zuman. So, how Hua gaming channel. Thank you. But you can add comment in there, and then for the Suwan you family, you can add comment in there, and then I can put moderator, and then you can just go. Okay, add a comment over there for the Suwan Yu family says how, and then I can put a moderator. Or if Suwan still doing the live, then she cannot go in here yet if she's doing the live.
Kasunod nito ay mula sa kwarto na may one-way mirror, ang tanging maririnig mo lamang ay ang malakas na iyak at sigaw ni
Yeah.
Zinaida at
Okay, so how and Hua and Suwan Yu family only if because I don't know how to make a moderator if not doing the live. If not commenting in there, then I can put a moderator. I don't know how to do that. So
at nanawagan siya sa gobyerno ng Pilipinas na dapat nilang tanggalin ang parusang ito sa batas.
yeah, I'm gonna my moderator list because that's only I also heard like it's good that from time to time you can do the you can clear up your moderator, and then if they come back to your live it's not a blue name, then you can put it back. Hi Shing. Hi Shing. Shing Bisdak. I'm gonna put this one in the silent mode right in a couple minutes, and because I don't have any video to do for the screencast live, that's why, or I just feel like to okay lang, I'm okay si Shing, thank you. Nagpapakita ako ngayon kasi wala na akong I don't have any more video. I don't have any more. The one I'm using was that very old phone, and I cannot even do the green screen on this phone that I'm doing the live right now. So, anytime this can end because very old phone. But anyway, thank you so much guys for tuning in my live. I'm gonna do the silent live already. So, I will just ganyan din ako minsan pag wala nang maisip na screencast. Yeah, totoo yan. Wala pa ako eh. Kasi nilive ko rin yung sa asawa ko. Kaya busy masyado ang mga gadgets dito at saka yung mga laptop. Kaya gusto ko rin na I want to do live at least 2 times in one day para I can have a lot of highlights because my what you call this, I'm manifesting that I can get 1,000 videos. I'm 900 something right now, so that's why. And then I'm not working. I'm on a disability, so that's why I make it faster so that I can get 1K videos. Well, that's just for my manifest. And then me and my husband, we don't have time to go anywhere yet to do the film or to do the video. That's why I said, oh okay, I'm gonna show my face this time with this old phone. But anyway, mag silent live na ako ha. Thank you for coming guys. Bibisita ako sa inyong mga I will visit your channel. Okay, and because I already done my highlights too, or maybe I can make another highlight. Okay, let me make another highlight. Hold on, let me see how many minutes the highlight that I did make. Kasi nandito rin naman ang aking mukha kaya okay lang siguro mag-highlights ng marami. 14:13, so I'm gonna do 15 up to wherever. Hold on. I'm gonna make another highlights. Enough. Oh, so it's still not enough. I want to be at least 8 minutes. 8 minutes of highlights. Okay. Okay, thank you, sis Shing. Thank you, sis. I will visit your channel. Mag-engage ako doon ng marami, sis. Kasi meron naman akong extra na phone. Talaga ako ng ulit highlights. Tingnan ko kung dito ako mag-start sa